In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Calendar desktop shortcut. By the end, you'll have a quick, one-click way to open Google Calendar in its own clean window, separate from your regular browsing. This is great for staying organized, avoiding tab overload, and keeping your schedule just a tap away on your desktop. First, open Google Chrome and go to Google Calendar. You can type Calendar, Google.com into the address bar and press Enter. Give it a moment to load so you see your calendar view. Using Chrome is important here because the shortcut feature we're about to use is built directly into this browser. Next, look to the top right corner of Chrome for the 3 vertical dots. This is the main menu. Click those dots to open the menu. Depending on your version of Chrome, you'll either hover over Save and Share, or you might see this option listed under More Tools if you are on an older build. Don't worry if the wording isn't identical. The goal is to find the option that lets you create a shortcut from the current page. Now, select Create Shortcut. When you click it, a small pop-up window appears. This is where you get to customize how the shortcut looks and behaves. In the name field, type something clear and recognizable, like Google Calendar. You can choose any name that makes sense to you. This is simply what will appear under the icon on your desktop. Before you create it, check the box labeled Open as Window. This is a helpful setting because it makes your calendar open in its own lightweight window, without the standard browser tabs and address bar. That way, it feels more like a dedicated app and stays out of the way of your everyday browsing. Once you've named it and checked Open as Window, click Create. Chrome will instantly place a new shortcut on your desktop. You should now see an icon with the name you chose. Double-click it, and Google Calendar will open in its own window, ready to use. From now on, launching your calendar is as simple as opening any other app from your desktop. If you ever want to change the name or remove the shortcut, you can do that using your regular desktop controls, just like you would with any other shortcut. And if you prefer a tidier workspace, you can place the icon in a folder or keep it front and center for quick access. That's it, simple, fast, and effective. Thanks for watching.